Hello friends, from today I am going to make a playlist for you on Sketchware tutorials. I want to give you a lot of tutorials for Sketchware, and you know what is Sketchware. Sketchware is one of the most popular app for creating mobile apps. You see, for creating mobile apps, and for this you don't have to know many codes, programming codes, but some very little, and very easy to make good apps from this app. So at my first video I am going to show you some basics of Sketchware which will need you so much in the next tutorials. So at first I want to start from this linear H. Here you see linear H, linear V, linear scroll H and scroll V. So I am going to tell you what are these. First I will say you linear H and linear V are used um, uh, to write something or to view something. These are some simple things. And if I say you scroll H and scroll V, these are to scroll something, scroll some text, scroll some datas, and everything you do. Here you see I am scrolling it, I am going from up to down. The thing of scrolling is done by scroll H and scroll V. I think you understood. Here is text view. If you want to give any text on your app, you can use it here, text view. And then edit text. Here is the edit text. You can give it in your app so that the users can edit any text as he likes. The third one is button. You know what is button. Image view allows you to give images on your apps. Checkboxes are used to give multiple choice questions. I think you know what is this. The thing is like this, that at first there will be a question, and then there will be 4 options or 3 options or 5 options. These are done by the checkboxes. Spinner helps you to do, if I say clearly, then it is a list a list a list some sorry Suppose you are accessing an app which shows you some colors on any background or any text. To show the list of the colors or anything, you have to use spinner. Next, here is list view. You know what is list. To use lists on your app, you can use it. Here you go. So many lists you can add. Here only 3 are given. Web view allows you to go to any website on your app. Next, switch allows you to on off anything on your app. Seek bar allows you to up and down sound or anything, or scrolling a video in your app. Progress bar helps you to, this is a loading. You know this. You see in many places loading, in any website, in many apps, the loading button, the loading view, this is done by this. After that, the calendar view, add view, map view, I think you know this, but these are some multifunctional views, so these are important. After that, I want to show you some other things. Here text view. After clicking text view, we will see width, height. Here width, height, padding, etc. Width means I think you know what is width and what is height. If I give the width match parent, then it becomes full length. If I give the height match parent, it becomes the full length. These are the use of this. After that, you will see padding. What means padding? Padding means something. You can see the filled green background here. In the middle of it, the hair is text view. If I set the padding top 20, then here you see the text view is you see the change on text view. I think you see it. If I give the left 20, then you see the change. So this is the use of text view. I think that you have learned it. Margin, I think you also know it. It will just see it, you will learn. Here you go. I think you see the change again. Here you see, this is the use of margin. Now see what is gravity. At first I want to say you only look. Center vertical, no change. Left, no change. Now I want to say you that what is gravity. Well, if I brief the gravity and layout gravity what is, I will say I can't brief it here. You will see the use of it because we have to use it with the linear H or linear V. So please, after that weight, if I give the weight 2, then it is, you see what is here, you see the change. If I give the weight 1, then it is same, but you will see some changes there. So these are this. You will see it in the use. When we will use it, you will see its use. Text means what will be the text. If I say it, sorry, here you go, the text changed to sorry. Text size, a lot of sizes. If I get 18, it has increased. Style means what style will give you text in the text. Here it is italic or bold. If I give the text color, you see a lot of colors here, you can use it how will your as you like. After that we will see lines. It is used to give lines on many text, a lot of text, so you will see its use. Background resource means I will give the use of it in the next tutorial, so sorry please, because I need to add some pictures or other some things here to use it. Background color, you see, and the remaining things you will see in the next video. Thank you. If you like my video or if you want to learn Sketchware, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.